Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sypniewski. Thank you so much for popping by my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I match up audio from two different devices. It's really simple. And actually, this video is a request from my friend David Smith, who has his own channel. He's a hobbyist. He flies drones. He does unboxings and gear reviews. And he wanted to know, how do I match up my audio from two different devices? I'm having a problem with that. So David, the easiest thing that you can do to get this to work for you is this. Literally, that's it. All you have to do is clap when both of your devices are recording. That clap is going to cause a visual peak in your audio. So when you bring those two streams of video together, all you have to do is match up those peaks and you're done. So this is what they do in Hollywood. You see that person before every take begins, they're standing there with a board that says the name of the movie, the take, the date, the time, and then the director calls action, and then they slap down the top of the clapboard. And that's so that they can match up the audio with the video, because Hollywood is not recording their audio internally in their camera. That's a completely separate department. They have professionals there specifically for the audio, and that's how they keep track of it too. So us just clapping our hands together is a small budget way of doing exactly what they do in Hollywood. So now let's jump over to the B camera. This way I can show you what that audio peak looks like and how to match everything up perfectly. And right now we have LumaFusion. So this is going to be the editing software that I use to edit all of my videos. It's a one-time fee of $30 and that's it. You purchase it once for $30 and you're done. And the reason that I'm saying that is perhaps people are watching this video that are not familiar with LumaFusion. So this is what it is, an awesome editing software that does pretty much what all of those other pay-by-the-month softwares can do. I've dropped this video into my main timeline, so let's go ahead and listen to a little bit of it.
First thing I do is to...
And right there is where I clapped. And you can see right there in the video, there's a little bit of a peak. If you're having a hard time seeing those peaks, what I'm going to do is drop out the audio from this video just by hitting that. And this is going to make a more obvious audio line for you here in the green. And you can even see me doing the clap. My next step is going to bring down the next video that contains the video that I want, and I want to match it up with this audio. So I'm going to select the video. I'm going to just drag that down over to my timeline, and I'm going to match up these peaks. Just going to bring it right down there. That looks perfect. And there we go. And you can see that the audio is matched up perfectly because I can see the peak from the clap. So let's just listen to this. Let me put this up a little. I don't know how I feel about this iOS 13, but
first thing I do is to do that clap. And
perfect. Perfect, perfect. So obviously the next step that we would do in LumaFusion is get rid of one of these audio lines. I want to keep this audio and I want to get rid of the B camera audio. So I would highlight the B camera footage and dump the audio out of there, delete that, and listen to this.
First thing I do is to do that clap. And that is going to cause...
So you hear the difference with the audio between the Deity and the Movo. There really is no comparison between these two microphones. The Deity microphone just gives such a great, rich audio compared to this Movo microphone. Actually, the Movo microphone was very disappointing. A lot of YouTubers raved about that Movo microphone, including DSLR video shooter, which is why I purchased this microphone. And it's going back. It's going back. And that's it. That's how easy it is to match up your audio lines. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, wear your sunblock.